how to add and make and create club page on Google Sites. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is go to Google Sites. This is the home page. Now all what you have to do is click here on template gallery and scroll down like this. Click here. After you click on this club option, wait a few seconds, it will take you here. Now add the name of the club, for example Jacob Club, and here you can change the pictures by clicking on it. Click here and upload, and you can also change everything from here, as you can see, like this. And yeah, after you finish editing all those informations, go to the top here and click on publish. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later in the next video.